Most couples don't break up because they stop loving each other. They break up because of unmatched values, unchecked egos, and the silence between the fights. If you are scared to have the hard conversations now, just wait until you are married and resentful. So do the work before you say I do, or you will spend your marriage wishing you had. Let's go deeper. Can you handle the truth? Not the cute Instagram captions, but the real stuff. Like, I'm broke, I'm drained, your mom crossed the line, and this isn't working. Do you actually apologize, or just wait for things to blow over? Because conflict doesn't kill love, avoidance does. Can you say no to your own family to protect your marriage? If not, your partner will never feel fully safe with you. Do you know how to suffer together? Because the storms will come, and good vibes alone won't keep you dry.